So there are times that we will ask you to self-diagnose if you have an electrical issue. A lot of the times it happens to be your GFI switch. And those switches can be located in multiple locations. Typically they're in a bathroom, but they can be located on different floors. So if your bathroom outlets don't work, you can actually trip a different breaker. So we'll ask you to go throughout your entire home and check to see if any of the breakers or GFIs have been swapped. Now, what that means is that sometimes they will have a red, but sometimes they won't. They won't have a light here at all. So you're just going to go through here. Sometimes they're red and black. You're going to want to just go to the reset. Make sure you press it all the way in and you hear it click, and then you go back out. This actually turned green when I did that. So we want to make sure that sometimes they're green, but if they are red or they actually are tripped, that's where you check it. And that is typically when we ask you to go find those, this is how you're going to do it.
I've been asked to reset my GFIs in the bathrooms or the kitchens, and I can't see some on the walls. Where else could I look?
So there are a couple locations where we would find those. Some of the newer GFIs that we see these days are actually going to be located wherever your breaker panel will be at. So it's going to be, again, in our gray panel here. And what's interesting here is that you actually have the test button that's on the side of your breakers. These is where you'll see that they'll line up right in the middle if they're tripped. So all you're going to want to do is click it all the way over if it's in the middle, and then click it all the way back, and that should reset your electrical system again in that area.